If you're in the mood to put the top down, jump in and go cruise downtown in a classic car convertible, this 1972 Ford Mustang Convertible could be the one you're looking for. Dressed up with a Mach 1 hood, silver accent stripes, and a ton of factory documentation with a original build sheet, Protecto plate, just a ton of information on it. A full binder. If you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, you'll see some images of that information in the binder. It also has restoration pictures as well, showing that a lot of this was stripped down to bare metal. Also, you'll see about 20 to 25 photographs underneath floors, showing that the frame rails, floors, trunks, all good and solid as well. I love the Mach 1 hoods on these 1971 to 73 Mustangs. As we go underneath the hood, the jam paint was done very nicely as well. I would classify this as a really nice driver quality restoration, not a trailer queen by any means, but a solid, nice cruiser. It's got a nice Holley 4-barrel on it. Comes equipped with power steering. Does have power brakes. As far as the inner fenders and stuff are nice and solid. You can tell it's just not a show-winning quality car. If you look, the outside paint and stuff's older and it looks nice, but as you come to these, just down here, you can see it's just kind of either original paint or just lightly coated here. It's got a new Napa Legend battery. Top of the inner fender aprons are perfect. Cowl is really solid as well. These are huge hoods and they're very, very tough to get lined up nice. This one really looks good here on the driver's side from front to back, lines up nice in the back as well. The color's great, it's a medium blue. We do have a couple little touch-ups here and there, you can see that right there. Some little chips. Judging by the paint and stuff, and it does have some clear coat imperfections as well, but judging by the paint, I'm guessing it's probably 15 to 25 years old. It was done quite a while ago, but still has a great appearance. It does have the Enduro bumper. On the Enduro bumper, it does have some little scuffs and stuff as well. The grille looks great. As we look up and down the sides, again, nice quality car. It's got the Cooper raised wet letter tires, tire treads in great shape. It has some 245 60-15s. Again, the back of the hood lines up nice. As we go here to the top of the dash pad has a few little bubbles on the very top of the pad. See that there? Not really cracks, just some sun fade there. But as the top plastic piece here is in excellent shape. The windshield looks good. Chrome around the window's nice. Really nice gap. Back of the hood. Door all the way down. Little paint imperfection in that very front edge of the door. Some little chips here as well, right there. Worst part about the whole paint, and you're gonna see this in different parts of the quarter, but it's got a lot of little chips, but they're almost like a little tiny clear coat chip right here. You know, you step back 5-10 feet, you don't notice them, but you can see them in the right light. The door handle's nice and clean as well. As we open up the door, they did do the two-tone there. You've had a little body repair right here in the bottom corner. Jams are all done as well. As far as our interior goes, I love the white interior, the white boot, nice steering wheel, horn works, and it does have the factory tack and gauges. The odometer shows 78,721 miles. It's got the factory gauges there as well, not just the tack. Lights all work under the dash. Console's in great shape. Seats are nice. Door shut, awesome. Like I said, the wheel and tire combination is great. Just a good looking turnkey cruise night car, parade quality car. You can take it to your local car show, but like I said, older restoration, not perfect. It's got a great stance, nice look. Back bumper is in really good shape for being original. You can see it's got some little micro scratches in it. It probably is still the original, but shines well. Tail lights and stuff are all original as well. Top of the trunk lid fits good. Again, here's what I'm seeing. See these little clear coat, so specks in the clear coat. Got a couple more here on the lip of the quarter too. Just not really sure exactly what happened there. Over the wheel well is good. Got one tiny little blister right there. See it? Very small. And there's that little clear coat chip. Top of the door lines up really nice here. The door's not sagging. As far as the clear coat right here too, just a few spots. Another thing I noticed with it is just that boot is just so nice and tight. Fits really good there. Door jamb paint looks decent, but not quite as nice as the rest of it. Both seats are great. Dash pad is nice. Like I said, you don't even really hardly see those little spots. Here's the, right there on the very top. But the whole front edge and stuff is excellent. Door panels all original. Door rubbers look like they're original. Like I said, with the binder and that information, I'm guessing it's probably a 78,000 mile car. Already went through some of it, but oil pressure gauge works. Gas gauge works. Factory tack is not working. It's got a power top over here. That works. Remote mirror. Wipers work. Heater fan works. And ta-da, the radio works. So basically what we have, guys, is the factory tack is not working. Other than that, everything is working as it should. We drove this when it came in. Runs and drives great down the road. Map light even works on and off. So really quality, like I said, a turnkey, nice driver. Something you can jump in and have some fun with at a reasonable price. Check out our website, coyoteclassics.com. I'm looking forward to talking to you and to help you purchase this awesome cruising 1972 Mustang.